This is a deep sleep meditation for the night before surgery, a guided meditation to release anxiety and prepare for restorative sleep. Fears like not waking up is the #1 fear, followed by, what if something goes wrong? This meditation is here to support your mind, body, and rest the night before surgery. There are 3 parts to this video to help you acknowledge negative thoughts, replace negative thoughts, and to last sleep soundly. Let's begin by gently turning inward. If you're feeling nervous, restless, or anxious about tomorrow, you're not alone. This is a vulnerable time, and it's okay to feel uneasy. We're going to take just a few quiet moments to write down what's been weighing on you, especially the thoughts that might be keeping you from resting. If you have a notebook nearby, or even your phone or a scrap of paper, go ahead and bring it close. You're going to write about what's making you feel anxious, afraid, or unsettled. Not to analyze it, not to fix it, just to release it. This will only take a minute, and it may help more than you expect. By moving these thoughts out of your mind and onto the page, you give yourself permission to let them go. Here are some examples on the screen. First, what am I afraid of about tomorrow? Second, what thoughts are making it hard to sleep tonight? Third, what ifs are circling in my mind? Fourth, what do I need to release right now to feel lighter? Whatever comes up, big or small, is welcome here. You might write something like, I'm afraid of the unknown, or I don't want to feel pain, or even, I wish I didn't have to do this. This is not about perfection, it's about release. Now, if you're ready, gently close your journal or set your pen down. You've honored your fear. You've given it a voice. And now, it doesn't need to follow you into sleep. Let's shift from worry to peace. Replacing fearful thoughts with peaceful truths. Now that your thoughts are on paper, or have had space to rise and settle, you can begin to let go. There's nothing more to figure out right now. There's nothing more to plan. You've already done enough. You've shown up. You faced your fears. And now, you get to rest. In this next part, I'll share calming truths and healing affirmations. You don't need to repeat them out loud unless you want to. Just let them drift into your body like warm light, like a lullaby for your nervous system. You are safe. You have prepared for this moment. Your body is ready to rest. You are supported. Let go. You are allowed to sleep. Think I am safe. I have done everything I can to prepare. You've given it a voice. My body is strong. My medical team is ready. Healing is already beginning inside me. I allow myself to rest fully and deeply. Tomorrow will come, and I will wake up refreshed. Tonight, my only job is to sleep. You don't have to hold on to these words. Just allow them to settle and soften you. There is nothing to fear in this moment. You are here. You are breathing. You are cared for. Now, we're entering the final part of this meditation. This portion will begin with gentle, guided relaxation to help your body let go and your mind slow down. Then the voice will fade away and soft, soothing music will continue playing. Designed to support deep sleep and healing throughout the night. You don't need to stay awake for the whole thing. In fact, you're not meant to. You can fall asleep at any time, knowing your body and mind are safe and supported. So let's begin. Take a slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale, begin to settle in. Notice the room around you. The quiet, the soft glow of light, or the gentle darkness wrapping around you. Let your body feel the support beneath you. Maybe you've adjusted your blankets. The temperature is just right, cool enough to relax, warm enough to comfort. If there's a sound around you, maybe the hum of a fan or the stillness of silence, let it become part of your calm. Everything in this space is here to help you rest. Let's begin relaxing the body, one soft breath at a time. Start with your face, relax your forehead. Unclench your jaw. Soften your eyes. Let your tongue rest gently behind your teeth. Now your shoulders, let them drop, heavy and warm. Feel your arms, your hands, melting into the blankets. Let go in your chest, your back, duds. Like tension is dissolving with every breath out. Now your belly, loose and easy. Feel your hips, thighs, calves. All sinking downward, grounded and still. And your feet, soft, warm, heavy, like sand resting at the bottom of the sea. Your entire body is at rest. You're floating now. Imagine yourself wrapped in soft light, glowing, peaceful, protected. There's nothing left to think about. Your body knows how to sleep. It remembers what to do. You are drifting gently, deeper, softer, slower. Each breath drawing you closer to sleep. You are safe. You are healing. You are deeply, deeply resting. No effort, just quiet surrender, letting the music carry you. You are asleep. Your body is healing. Sleep as long as you need.